call the locksmith. He jumps up and he starts hollering and yelling, and I'm, of course, gonna scream and holler back because I'm just a loud person.
And you told me you pushed him.
Okay. Officer Howard, I didn't push him. I pushed the door open. I'm not.
You are. You're not.
No, I am not.
Oh, yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
On April 12, 2026, a single 911 call in Florida triggered a chain of charges no one in the footage anticipated. One decision made in the first 90 seconds sealed the legal outcome. What law made that inevitable? And what should anyone know before calling 911 in a domestic dispute?
They don't all need to be here if they're only gonna be here to stand and shake their heads or say stupid shit to me.
Okay.
Because I can do that too. I can put on a uniform and say stupid shit to people to just make them pop off if that's what's needed.
All right. What happened?
Last night when we came in the house, the car locked. And I said, you're gonna have to get my keys out of the car. Like, you sat there and did something in the car locked. He said, I could get the keys out of the car in the morning. So then this morning, I wake up and I said, hey, get the keys out of the car. He says, you could call the insurance. I said, I can't call the insurance. The insurance stuff is in the car. So I said, you need to get the keys out of the car or call the locksmith. He jumps up and he starts hollering and yelling. And I'm, of course, gonna scream and holler back because I'm just a loud person and everybody knows that. So I screamed and hollered for a second, and then I was like, you know what? This. I went in the house and I locked all the doors all the way around. He yanked this door back open, but when he yanked it open, I push him back out of my room and he knocks me down onto the tile floor. When he comes out here, I reach like this to grab something from him, and he says, that's what you get, you stupid, you're stupid, you always, and I'm not always doing anything. I don't always lock my keys in my car. He did that.
Okay. Where's he at?
I don't know.
So he came inside, you pushed him back out.
Yes.
All right, then you guys came outside, arguing. You tried to grab something, he pushed you to the ground.
Yes.
All right, will you fill out an affidavit?
No, I will not. I just want him to stop being stupid. Like, that's stupid to keep doing stupid to me.
And you're not willing to write it on a piece of paper, correct?
No, because don't nobody want to press charges on him so you could be like, it's your fault that I don't have anything. Like, no.
I would like to talk to him if he'd come back.
He hung up on me.
Can you call him back?
He's not going to answer. He's just going to keep doing the same game.
Please leave your message for...
Can you just give me a cigarette? Like, I'm honest, like,
I don't have a cigarette.
can you open my car so I could just have a cigarette?
Alright, he's not answering me.
Until he does go and do stupid shit like this, he'll go and disappear. And so I guess it's my fault. Take me to jail.
Well, I would like to talk to him.
If he were standing here, he could hear that I've told the whole truth. I told you, I pushed him, and then he knocked me down.
Please leave your message.
Can you please just open the car so I can have a cigarette? Okay, I'm getting ready to get in the other car and drive off. If you can't hear me, I need a cigarette.
You're not free to leave.
Well, can you open my car so I can have a cigarette?
No.
I'm gonna leave too then. Okay. He can leave, I can leave
well,
too.
Then I'm gonna put you in cuffs.
I need a cigarette. I want a cigarette.
So this is how this is gonna work. I'm not obligated to open your car.
I don't care. I just want a cigarette.
You're not getting it right now.
Well, I'm being held for nothing really. This is stupid to constantly be told that I'm doing something or causing something. But now you're standing here making me cause something because I just want a cigarette.
Okay, well, I'm not obligated to open your car right now.
And I'm not obligated to have to stand here. I haven't done anything. I called for help.
You just told me you pushed him.
Whatever.
Because he opened his door.
No, he didn't open his door. He opened my door. And he locked the keys in the car.
Okay. How often does he stay here?
I don't know, like... Okay. No, he cannot. If the locks are on the door, you cannot do that. You can't break a door more than what it's already broken. That's so stupid to say.
Alright. Well, you cannot go anywhere.
Officer Howard, can you please just help me have a cigarette so I don't have to have anything to say back to him?
I do have a piece of candy.
I don't want that. I need a cigarette.
Yeah, you got a cigarette on.
He's just sitting here with me just to bother me. I just need a cigarette. So then I won't have anything to say to the officer to make me do something and me be doing something wrong. Okay, so just leave me alone then. If y'all can't help me open the car, just leave me alone.
Well, I can't do that because you told me that you pushed him. Try and call him.
I gave you his number. He's not answering.
It goes straight to voicemail. Well, as of right now, I only have your side of the story. And you told me you pushed him.
Okay. Officer Howard, I didn't push him. I pushed the door open. I pushed the door. There's towels on my door, so I pushed the door back closed. There's towels at the top of the door. He wants you to answer the phone because as of right now, they can't leave me alone because I told them the truth that I pushed you as you're pushing into my room.
I didn't do anything.
Hey, it's Deputy Savage with the Sheriff's Office. You're not in any trouble, man. She told me that she pushed you, okay? I just need to talk to you so that I can figure out what happened. Because as of right now, I only have her side of the story.
I just got out of there because once you get like that, I just leave, man. All I wanted to do, all I did was go in there to get my phone. Or when I tried to go in there to get my phone, like, I pushed through the door to get my phone. And she seen me get my phone, she just started rushing me and started to push me and fight me and all kind of stuff. And all I did was grab her phone, and she was falling and doing all that herself. I didn't rush at her, I didn't go towards her. All I did was try to get my phone and leave out. When I left out of the door, I closed the door behind me, she pushed the door back open, and she tried to rush me and try to take my phone out of my pocket. So when I knocked my phone on the ground, I grabbed my phone, and then she tripped over that scooter that you see right there, hit her head.
You hit your head, or you said you tripped?
He's lying. He did not hit his head. I hit mine.
And then after that, I just left.
Oh, she tripped, is what you said?
Yeah, she tripped over a scooter that's down there, and then I got my phone. I got out of it.
Phone?
Yeah, but turn around.
I'm not. Officer Howard, I'm not.
You are. You're not.
No, I am not.
Oh, yes, you are.
No, I'm not, Officer Howard.
Stop.
No, I am
Stop.
not.
I'm going to taste you.
I am not. That's not fair. No.
Relax.
No.
Let go.
Where is?
Let
Can you
go.
give me a cigarette first? No, you are poking. No, don't talk to me. Get off! You don't have to do that. Get off of me.
Give me your hand.
I cannot. You're on my. Can you please get off my chest?
Give me your hand.
You're hurting me.
Give me your hand.
You're hurting me.
Give me your hand.
Get off of me.
No, give me your hand. Bring it back.
Stop! He's on my back. Stop! Let me get the dirt off of me.
Nope. It's too late for that.
Yeah.
Nope.
You're going to get a wrestling charge.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
asking
Well-
you to stop.
And if you kick me, you're
I'm
going to get
not
battered.
pushing you. You're on my ankle that's swollen clearly.
ready?
There's a bracelet. Can you take the bracelet off? That hurts. Can you take this off? Ow!
Well, if you quit,
No, you quit. You're not hearing me.
roll towards me.
No, take this off. You're idiots. I told them the truth. I said
Why?
Why? Because you're lying. I asked him to give me my phone. He won't give me my phone.
Walk.
I didn't do anything to you. Don't lie. Yeah, that's stupid. You're gonna lose yourself. I lose it. You're gonna make up because you're with them.
Stop.
You stop. Can you please take this off of me?
No.
Ow! I'm sorry.
Lean against
I
the
don't
car.
have a bra or anything on.
Okay, and I don't know that.
You do know that. You can see my damn.
For real.
You stop. Get the off of me. You're pulling my pants down. Stop.
If you hit
He's
one of
pulling
us,
my pants
it's
down.
not gonna go well.
I don't give a shit. Get off of me.
Get in the car.
Stop. You don't have to jerk anybody around. You don't have to
Get in
jerk
the
me
car.
around.
In
Get
the
your
car.
hands off of me.
Get in the car. And
I can when I'm done. If you touch me, I'm gonna kick her. Let go of me.
Why you being so difficult today?
Because I just I'm not kicking you. So you can lie if you want to.
Move your leg or I'm breaking it.
If you break my leg, I'm gonna charge you.
Go ahead.
Yo, you stupid piece of shit. That's bullshit. You know that. You're not talking to me. That's bullshit. I am in the car. You didn't ask me if I need to go to EMS. My head was busted on cement and tile. You didn't ask me that. You didn't ask me that. When you came up, there was dirt down my back. You didn't ask me. You didn't ask me that.
Get in the car.
Give me my phone. I need to unlock it.
You want me to bring your mom over here?
She can't walk. She don't got no feet. Can you please just let me do the phone? Take the password off so she can open it.
No. You don't get a phone call until you get...
I'm not asking you for a phone call. I said take the password off so she can open it.
How do I do that?
I have to touch it, you fucking idiot.
Well, if you keep talking to me like that, I'm just gonna...
Well, why are you sitting looking at me like you're confused? If you're confused as a damn child, you shouldn't be wearing a badge. If I can't use my hand, how am I gonna open the phone?
I don't know. How are you?
Get the out of my face.
Move your leg.
Get the out of my face.
Move your leg.
You look like an idiot. You look like a child, bitch. When after Howard came up, I asked for EMS. On the phone, they asked me that. And you didn't ask me shit, nor did they come.
If you asked on the phone, they would have been here.
I did ask on the phone. I want the EMS. I was pushed and shoved on my head twice. I hit my head on cement and concrete and that scooter that's in there.
Okay.
Can you please turn the air on?
What? Your head's hurting you?
Yes, I need the air on. I have not done anything to you other than everything that you asked me to do. Turn the air on. This time I'm I'ma sue Fruitland Park, y'all.
Yeah,
You
that's
and
no,
Fruitland Park.
jeez, no.
This time I'll get a lawyer because this time it is wrong. I should have went on and let y'all taste me again, then I would have really had it again. Y'all are wrong. But you can go ahead and make the wrong call. Stupid piece of I tried to go back in. You can't go anywhere. Now you put me in handcuffs. You are full of shit. Do you have kids, mother? Do you want right done by your kids or family? I pushed him to get him out. I pushed him off of me. That's exactly what I told you. I pushed him off of me. Take me to jail so I can get done.
I thought you wanted EMS.
I do, but they can do it there. I am hot. This is not comfortable. Get me where I need to go to.
Nope, I'm waiting on the ambulance.
And then I'm not getting back in the car with you. I will request for somebody else.
Okay, whatever you say. Look, fire truck's here. She told me I'm not getting back in your car when I get out.
Yeah, she's gonna
You're listening to me.
I am, but I'm not gonna speak to you anymore.
So why can't you answer me? Why am I going to jail? Don't tell me. I'm already in trouble. I called and now I'm arrested.
Calling 911 doesn't save you from going to jail.
I told you what I did. I pushed it to protect myself. I guess it was just easier for you to jump on my back instead of go get it. I asked God. So what the was the purpose of taking me there?
You asked to go there.
And then you told me that they don't have to do anything for me. So what was the purpose? Y'all, it's not right to with people on a bad day. You could have let me go back in my house also to put on a shirt.
Don't do that. Stop.
All I asked for was a cigarette.
If you break
All I
that,
asked for was a cigarette.
stop.
All I asked for was a cigarette.
Well, you're not getting one. Stop.
All I asked for was a cigarette and called for help. And this is what I get.
If you spit on me,
I didn't spit on you.
well, you just spit.
I didn't spit on you, so stop lying. I didn't spit on you. You could go ahead, make it another charge. I'm gonna make it another charge, because that's what I can do. I can sit and bullshit people and add charge after add charge after add charge after they just call for help. You can still hear me.
I know I can, but you can't spit on me anymore.
I didn't spit on you the first time.
I didn't say you did.
Yes, you did. If
No.
you're saying you can't spit on me anymore, that means that it's happened prior. Everybody
You did
knows
just spit. It's right there on my
I
partition.
didn't spit on you. How am I being arrested because I pushed him off of me? I'm asking you a question. So I know the proper law that this situation arises. You can't explain to me the proper law, and here you are with me in handcuffs, ruining my life over call to help me. I was the caller. I was the one in need of help.
I already told you calling 911 doesn't save you from going to jail.
When the updates to LaShonda's story don't get her out of her legal troubles, she makes a very graphic threat against the victim.
I promise you, the next call that you have to come to my house, it's going to be because of guilty. Okay? I'm going to kill him, I'm going to chop him up into pieces, and then you can come get him.
Well, I never worked that area, so you probably never see me again.
Can you hurry up so that somebody can give me some Tylenol or something for my
Well, if you quit screaming, it'd probably help.
I'm not screaming, I'm talking, bitch. Ass bitch, you only do that because you have handcuffs on the person.
6'7". Have you been here before?
You know damn well I've been here before.
Really? Just asking, because jail staff's gonna ask. What was it for? So we had to fight her to the ground. She's claiming there's a knot on her head, but she kept refusing medical care at the hospital. So the hospital was like, well, then you don't need to be here. So they signed it for her.
Gotcha.
And they said,
Awesome. Perfect.
because of the
FL Stat 784.3. Battery voluntary on-camera admission. I pushed him back out of my room. Under Florida law, one intentional unwanted touch satisfies every element. No injury required. No witness required. No prior history required. FL Stat 741,000. 901. Mandatory domestic violence arrest Florida removes all officer discretion once probable cause exists. The victim's refusal to sign an affidavit is legally irrelevant. Calling 911 does not confer immunity. The caller can be the arrestee. Terry v. Ohio. 392 U.S. 1,968. Lawful investigative detention. Reasonable articulable suspicion permits temporary detention. A voluntary on-camera admission of battery exceeds that threshold entirely. It establishes full probable cause. The subject had no legal right to leave. FL Stat 843-2. Resisting officer without violence, refusing a lawful arrest command before any physical contact occurs, is itself a first-degree misdemeanor. Turnaround. One refusal. A second charge accrued at that moment, independently of the original battery. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S., 386 1000. 989. Objective reasonableness standard force is judged by 3 factors at the moment of the decision. Severity of the crime, whether an immediate threat exists, and whether the subject actively resists. All 3 supported the force applied. A taser warning without deployment is proportionate escalation. FL Stat 784.S-2B. Battery on a law enforcement officer misdemeanor battery upgrades to a third-degree felony. The instant physical resistance occurs during a lawful arrest. Maximum 5 years. This charge was not a decision by the officer. It was a consequence of the subject's own conduct. FL Stat 836.5. Verbal threats. A standalone felony. I am going to kill him. I am going to chop him up in little pieces. Spoken to a law enforcement officer while in custody. On camera. Unretrackable. Under Florida law. This is a second-degree felony. Maximum 15 years. Entirely separate from the domestic battery charge. Practical legal lesson. Voluntary statements. Carry full evidentiary weight every word spoken on scene to any officer at any point before or after arrest. Becomes part of the official record. There is no off-the-record conversation with law enforcement. The 4 charges in this case originated almost entirely from the subject's own statements. 4 charges, 1 911 call, 1 voluntary admission made in the first 90 seconds. Did the mandatory arrest statute produce a just outcome here? Or does it create a chilling effect on domestic violence reporting? Was the on-camera felony threat handled with the legal weight it required? The evidence is in the footage. The full legal analysis continues.